Looking for ways to heat up your house without breaking the bank? As the winter chill sets in, it's time to explore some cost-effective strategies to keep your home cozy and warm. Firstly, maximize your insulation. Sealing drafts around windows, doors, and other openings keeps the heat where you want it, inside. Don't forget your attic, walls, and floors. A well-insulated home is a warm home. Next, harness the sun's energy. By keeping curtains and blinds open during the day, you can fill your home with free natural warmth. When the sun sets, close those curtains and blinds to keep the heat in. Thirdly, use space heaters wisely. These can be a cost-effective way to heat specific areas of your home. Just remember to follow safety precautions and never leave them unattended. Optimizing your heating system is another smart move. Regular maintenance, including cleaning or replacing air filters and keeping vents unobstructed, can improve its efficiency. A programmable thermostat can also contribute to energy savings. Bundle up indoors. Layer up with cozy sweaters, socks, and blankets. Use thermal curtains or draft stoppers for extra insulation. And remember, there's no need to heat unused rooms. Cooking and baking with your oven can also help heat your home. Plus, it fills your home with delicious aromas. And when you're done, leave the oven door cracked open to let the residual heat circulate. Lastly, embrace a cozy ambiance. Add rugs, throw pillows, and blankets. Light candles or use a fireplace if you have one. These touches can add warmth and create a cozy, inviting space. So there you have it. With these budget-friendly tips, you can effectively heat up your house without breaking the bank. From maximizing insulation to harnessing the sun's energy and optimizing your heating system, you can stay warm and comfortable during the colder months while keeping energy costs in check. So bundle up, get cozy, and enjoy a warm and inviting home all winter long.